Well, hi everyone, Mr. Mice here out on the west coast and back for another video. Saturday morning, time for another cup of tea, a little bit time for the workshop. Today is just very quick one. So this is a little bit of a shout out for Dom from DB Blades, because he sent me this for free. And I also got one of his knives, and I'm also going to show you what I call a 58-second knife build. It's one I put up on Instagram, so if you want to follow me on there, Mr. Mice Blades, you can see it on there as well. But I just wanted to show you this knife in particular for a very special reason. Let me zoom in and I'll show you. So here we are, DB Blades. What else we got in here? Got Infernum. So we got the little certificate, I guess you can call it, one of his cards, a couple of his cards, and knife care, and some kind of sticker with a gorilla on it. So nicely boxed up to be sent out. Now the reason I'm showing you this is not only because I think it's an awesome knife, but because a few weeks back he put out a message out on video on YouTube and on Instagram. He wanted a name for it, and I put forward a name initially called the Ellipsis because of the 3 dots. He really loved it, but he didn't choose it because he wanted something more aggressive. I just came up with the Infernum, and this is what he called it. So obviously I couldn't resist it, so I had to buy one. So this is it here. It gives you like a little certificate, shows you the Infernum 004. So here is, I haven't got my glasses on, but it is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but 004 there. Okay, so there it is, Infernum 004 D2 steel, Cerakote finish, and the date that he sent it out, at least checked it and sent it out. So there you go. Now it's screaming sharp. Look at that, it's just incredible. An amazingly sharp knife. So there's only really a couple of things that I would change if I could. The colour, the grey Kydex sheath, doesn't match this bronze Cerakote, I suppose this is. Black would have been so much better. I didn't ask for a different colour sheath, and I'm sure if I'd have asked him he would have sent it, so that's probably my bad there. The only other thing with it, it is incredibly tight. Ooh, it really is tight to get on and off. As a result, there is some scuffing here and here. I don't know if you can see it, but look, I suppose this is going to get scuffed up anyway, so really, does it matter? Probably not. But they're the only things I would say. But what an awesome design, sleek and slender, screaming sharp, and I'm going to love using this knife. I mean, you could take it camping, you could fillet fish with it. Fantastic. That's the box it comes in, nicely packed, full of all this foam, and there you go. But shout out for him, because for naming it he gave me this. This is one of his bottle openers, that you may see. I actually was quite surprised how small it is, but I mean, does the job. Bit of a close-up if I can. I don't know if that's coming out, I hope it does. Great, isn't it? Look, even that has got a number on it. Yeah, DB from DB Blades, and a number, which is, what is it again? 2, number 2. Awesome. So thanks, Dom. Cheers, mate. Thanks for that. Just one other thing before I show you my little knife build video. I've not done anything else to complete this folding knife build. So I've got 2 very basic prototype, but that's all I've done. So I really should get stuck into that. I'm kind of putting it off because I think you've got to dedicate the right amount of time for it, but that's going to be a rough idea of its design. It's going to be called the Delta, and yeah, look out for that. Alright, so let's roll this little 58-second knife build. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.